Hey everybody, how's it going? Happy Wednesday. Hope y'all are having an awesome day. I just got my box of goodies in. Y'all want to see what I got? And you know what? I didn't set up a code word. I guess that's okay. Let me grab my computer. What y'all doing? Hey, Paula. Let me see. I feel like y'all might want to see all the stuff, so let me see what I'm doing. Hey, Barbara. Y'all want to see me open a box and help me pick out my next project? Let's see. Hey, Sandra and Wanda. How's it going? Hey, hey, hey. Da, da, da. I think I got it. Hey, Marcia. You going to visit your aunt? We'll have a great time. Let's see. Y'all, I shouldn't even admit this, but yesterday we had a release called Christmas Traditions. It's all the top. It was like a bunch of stuff that was popular and sold out over the last year or so, maybe even longer. So I'm going to call it new. But anyway, I don't ever keep any product because I make projects every day, so I don't have any extra. So this is the Christmas Traditions. Had it sent overnight. Thank you, Sandra. So it came in. There was only one thing that I didn't order, and it was the chalkable shapes for the vintage ornaments, but I'm going to order those today. But as we're going through this, I want y'all to let me know in the comments what you want me to do tonight. What project you want to see tonight. What you want to see tonight. And we got some new stuff. These, oh my gosh, they're huge. These are waxes. And if you type the word new, I'll send you a message. Y'all let me know if that works. But anyway, this is, we have added Dixie Belle products. Hey, you caught me live. Yes. Y'all be sure to sprinkle it out and say hello, where you're watching from and all that stuff. Anyway, we got some new waxes in. No Pain, Gel Stain, American Honey. That is a big, I really need to do some big projects. That's a lot of wax. And then this one is Walnut. And then this one is Chameleon. It's called Cactus. Now, I haven't used them, but I'm sure we will. I don't know what they look like. Y'all let me know if the word new works. And look, were y'all watching yesterday? I am letting my snowman dry back there. But how many of you guys like those vintage looking snowmen? They're like white and they got a lot of glitter on them. Hey, Anita. All right, this one's called Georgian Cherry. Georgian Cherry. I can see we got a lot of staining to do. We'll start with the transfers. Then, y'all, listen, as we're going, y'all tell me what you want to see tonight. I have done several with this Painterly Angel. Isn't she gorgeous? This is another one that I love, love, love. I have done pillows and ornaments with this one. Super cute. Thank you so much for letting me know. And then here's another one that we love, the cardinals. It's called 2 Cardinals and Seasonal Branches. I did some really pretty things with this also. Oh, thank you. Love this one. It's, you can just write Mary or Be Merry or Merry Everything. Gina loves everything vintage. Gina, do you know what kind, you know those snowmen I'm talking about? They're usually made of paper mache. Oh, did I get 2 of these? Oh my goodness. Y'all, somehow I ordered 2 of these. And then I love this one too. It's got all the street signs, street names. Here's another one of my favorites. Reindeer Games. Isn't that pretty? Here's like my all-time favorite. I figured it would probably sell out fast. You can do all kinds of things with this, and I shared some ideas yesterday. Here's another one of my favorites. Last year, it's called the Country Church. I did several projects. I even did one with stained glass windows. This one is called Cup of Cheer Minis. These are super fun. Are y'all going to look at all of them and then decide which one you want me to do? Oh, so bright. Love these. This is probably one of my favorite mini transfers. They look so classic. And then here's the one that I didn't get the cutouts for. It's called Vintage Ornaments. And those have lots of detail. So pretty. And I shared a shirt this morning with this naughty and nice. I've got a video. Somebody just asked on how to clean them. I've got a video I'll send you. Very easy. The other winter church is not coming back. Noel. And then, fa la 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 la. Isn't that fun? Okay. And then there's the chalkable shapes for the Nutcracker. Y'all, why do I want to call those toy soldiers? And then the naughty and nice, or nice and naughty shapes. And then the Country Church. The reindeer. The cardinals. The Noel. Barry's daddy's name was Leon. So when I see Noel, I always think of Leon. Somebody said, how do you make paint like snow? Well, we have this product, and I mix it with white paste. It's what I did for the train behind me. They look like toy shoulders. Have they ever been called toy? Have nutcrackers ever been called toy soldiers? I'm so crazy. Anyway, whenever you type the word new, you're going to get links to the site. Somebody was asking about making snow. Well, there's a product that we offer. It's in accessories. And let me see if I can find it. It's called Sea Spray. It's like a powder. I just mix it with white paste. You can see it. You mix it with white paste, and then you use like a, you could use like a stiff paintbrush or a spackle knife to add that. And I don't know if y'all saw on the Chalk Couture page, I made these because I'm kind of going with a gingerbread theme. But you can paint the white shapes also. I painted them with camel to make these gingerbread looking coasters. And I use our gator hide to protect it. We also have angel wings and the word Mary. So I'm going to have to go back through y'all's comments and see what y'all want me to make. Y'all tell me which ones of these that you have made. I know a lot of y'all have these. And if you're new, you can check them out. Like if this is the first time you've seen me live or you've never used chalk, be sure to type the word new and go over and check everything out. Everything on the site is 25% off right now. Until, I want to make sure I'm telling you right. Until the 21st. So every single thing. Like if you're a Perks member, you already get 30% off. And then you get an additional 25% off. And if you're a designer, you get an even better deal. And y'all let me know if any of y'all have been thinking about becoming a designer. I started working with Chalk Couture in 2018. And in my opinion, we've just gotten better and better with our designs. It's so awesome to be part of a community. And, you know, if you are a creator and you create, it's a great addition. I see y'all with y'all's ideas. It's exciting. So be sure to watch from the beginning if you're just hopping on. If you want to see all of this, just type the word new. These are our all-time bestsellers back for traditional Christmas traditions. They are beautiful. Yes, they are so beautiful. So, and I'm going to... Elizabeth, you just sign up to be a designer. I need to put that, let me put a link in the comments. There's really no requirements. Like there's no quota to meet. Show you how to use the new wax. Have you ever used wax before? All waxes are the same. You apply them with a lint-free cloth or like a stiff bristle brush. You put it on, you let it sit for a little bit, and then you buff it off. So all waxes are basically the same. But I'm happy to show you. Hopefully you will see. I put the link to becoming a designer. 25% off the whole site, everything. All the new stuff, all the stuff that just came back, all the surfaces, all the paste, all the ink, everything. Yeah, if you want to become a designer, I put a link, hopefully it pinned. Yes, there are cutouts for the vintage ornaments. I didn't order them. I ordered early and they weren't listed yet, but I'll be getting them. So if you just type the word new, it's going to take you over there to all the new stuff, and then you just scroll down. Oh yeah, y'all, I did a video of my outfit. And these are the Chalk Couture earrings. We got a kit for those. I don't know if you've seen that. Look under kits. Y'all know I was kind of excited for it to get a little cool so I could wear my winter. This ain't winter, but you know, fall. When you're used to like 100-degree temperatures and it gets down like low 40s, it's kind of fun to pull out something new. Paint like snow again. If you go to my videos, you'll see where I did the train. But depending on which project I do tonight, I might put some snow on it. You need to know about perks. Okay. If you are a perks member, I've got a link. Like if you type the word new, there's a button that says join perks, I think. Let me see. Anyway, if you're a perks member, you get 30% off of everything. And it's $20 a month, but you get $20 in product. Like you get a $20 product credit. So it's a wash. You pay $20 to be a perks member every month, and you get $20 to use in the shop every month. So hopefully that makes sense. There's no requirements. You know, you just, if you are, like, I consider myself I don't know what, a super crafter. I craft 2 or 3 times a day. Then you may want to consider being a perks member to get 30% off all the time. So hopefully that answers your question. Also, if you click on the perks link, all the information is there. Oh, Chris, I was looking at that today and it hasn't been totaled up. The last I heard, let's see, what day was that? On Friday, it was like over $4,000, but I'll try to get a total to share with y'all, and we've got to pick some winners. But listen, there's always a chance to round up for the Watts of Love, because Watts of Love is always working behind the scenes whenever there's like a natural disaster and people don't have electricity, or just providing light for, people without electricity. Cindy loves the perks. Look, everybody loves the perks, and especially if you're a super crafter, because it's awesome. Right. Stephanie, whenever you sign in as a perks member, all your prices are already 30% off. And then for the next week or so, it's an extra 25% off for everybody. For all customers, for all perks members, for all club members, and for all designers. And if you want the links, just click new. You go over there, look around on the site, and you'll see like a big banner that says 25% off until the 21st. You'll see 30% off for perks members. Perks members can also join the club. All kinds of good stuff. We are all about providing everything for crafters, or almost everything. We always feel like we got to have everything, or I do. I mean, as a crafter, I want it all. So type the word new, go look around, check it out, and be sure to tell me, oh yeah, Sandy, it's totally worth it. Love, love, love it. But anyway, don't forget to keep commenting to let me know what you want to see tonight. I've seen several things. So I'll see like which one is mentioned the most. And guys, have a great afternoon. I will see y'all later. Bye now.